Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys are enjoying my videos here on my YouTube channel. My name is Andre, and welcome. If it's your first time, I want to say hit that subscribe button, smash that notification. And my YouTube channel is all about entrepreneurship, how to make money online, and I also share some great tips how I can help you because I was where you got some of you guys probably were, tired of working for somebody else and want to find that extra income in order for you to leave your job. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about two ways, or let's say I'm going to share some tips with you how you guys can make some money in minutes, easy ways how you can make money online as well. So make sure you pay close attention. So I'm going to share with you two websites that I found that you guys can actually make money in minutes. You can make from $35 all the way up to, like, I would say like $1,000. So I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So stay tuned. Right now, I'm going to do this. So some of you guys may know, right, that I started my online journey a year and a half ago. Watching this video probably is going to be longer, but there's a website that's called Upwork. And I was just going through this and just realizing that there's people on here that are making bank. There's people out here that are actually crushing it, using their skills to make an extra income online. So maybe if you got a job going on and if you have a special skill, you can set up an account. And this website it's absolutely free. It's not gonna charge you to sign up for it. But I know once you start applying your service, maybe they're gonna, you have to pay them some sort or what, I'm sure it's gonna cost you somewhere or the other, but you could sign up for free. I know that for sure, right? You can get a free account and sign up. Now, if you look right here, you see they got like this guy right here, and I type in the word advertiser, and this guy's charging $160 an hour, right? $160 an hour for dietary, supplement professional specialized in regulator. I don't even know what that is, but this guy as well is charging $55 an hour and $97 an hour, right? This is like $55 an hour. So if you go through this, there's people here that are making, decent amount of money. And I'm sure some of these guys are doing this full time. Some of them probably have a job and they're doing this on the side, which is even awesome. So I keep telling people, if you're in 2018 and you don't have, a couple streams of income rolling in, you're missing out big time. So I was going through here and I see all this, like you have like copywriting. There's like number of pages. Look at this guy, $75 an hour, $83 an hour. So you can just type in the word advertising. Let me see if I can find out videographer or video editing. Let me type in video editing, right? Video editing, $40 an hour, $37 an hour, 40 an hour, 50 an hour, right? So you see that? $45 just to edit a video. So you got like numerous of people out there who's, they maybe create like a family video, and they have all this bunch of video and they want to make it nice and look pretty. So what they do, they come on this website and they search for these kind of people, right? And these people offer their services. So sometimes they'll charge like 2-3 hours, right? 2-3 hours for something that's going to probably cost them an hour. Who knows? There's ways around it. I'm not saying they do that, but some people may do that. I'm not giving you any ideas in your head, but $40 an hour. Now, the website is called Upwork, and then let me see if there's any what's this? Virtual assistant. All right, so there's like virtual assistants. Virtual assistant, $17 an hour, right? $17.25. Maybe you can offer your service and skill, to people. Like this guy right here is like, he's probably at home banking right now, right? And the better you get service, like, job success, the better rating, the more you're going to get jobs. So you better make sure you do great jobs when you do this. And jumping on this next website, you have Fiverr.com, 250 bucks for this right here. You got $50, right? This guy right here is charging 70 bucks. Just he will create like an advertising business video for you. 250. This person 250, right? Now look at this. I'm not making this up, guys. Look at this. I will create an advertising level product photography, right? Look at this. Starting at $3,200. So you see people are making like, up to $5,000, $3,200. So if you go through this, look at this, 550, that person is charging right there, right? So if you go through here, you can see the different price range. Well, I'm not going to say, you're just going to start out and you're just going to whack on like a 500 bucks or $1,000 for your work. No, you don't want to do that, right? You want to start off small, get your name out there, start and getting like, good reviews and work your way up there. Of course, it's going to take some time. It's going to take effort. It's not like you're just going to sign up and bam, you're going to hit. Because look at this. Yeah, the competition is stiff. But if you start providing or you start marketing, some of these people go on Facebook and they market on Facebook, right? They go on there and they be like, hey, if you guys need, any form of work, check out, I got Fiverr, this, that. So people use other platform to advertise their business. So you're not going to just rely on this. Yeah, you're going to have people coming on here and searching because these websites have traffic. So people go there, and people are going to check. I know everybody want to land on the first page, but again, everything takes time. So you're just going to start off, offer your service. See like people on here doing like banner ads, influencer, flyer brochures, all that kind of stuff. But I just want to give you guys some ideas, show you guys can, easy way how you can make money online and make an extra $100 a week, $100, $200, $300, how you can scale up. So hope this video helps, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Hit that subscribe button. Peace out. Bye for now.